Brian asks, question. We have had many discussions about following the owner's manual, but then you have said 10 hours for first oil change on a Sea-Doo instead of the manufacturer's 50 oil. How do you explain? The integrity of the oil, meaning the molecular bond of the oil, the life of the oil, is good up to 50 hours. It's good. It's good oil. All right. But why I recommend a 10-hour oil change after break-in on a Sea-Doo is not because the oil is breaking down and it's bad. Is the molecular bond, its coating properties are failed. They are not. What I am talking about is in the 10 hours of break-in, the oil circulating and the heat cycling process in that engine is depositing so much contaminants into the oil. All right. The rough edges on the unfinished rough edges of the cylinder or the plasma coating. The unfinished rough edges or slag, there's not. It's microscopic. It's so small. On the piston oil rings, on the piston rings. All of the refining that occurs within an engine within the first 2 to 5 hours, typically 2. With an hour and a half to 2 hours of operation, your engine's pretty much cleaned itself up. But you want to heat cycle it, especially people who do not do the hardcore heat cycling that a lot of high performance people do. But why I recommend a 10-hour oil change is just so that you get all that contamination, all that contaminated oil out of the engine and put fresh oil in. It's not because the contaminated, dirty oil can't do its job, can't coat the bearings, can't cool the engine down, can't keep things lubricated. It can, but it's full of schmutz. All right, it's full of carbon, it's full of blow-by, it's full of unspent gasoline, it's full of all this crap that has just been shaved and refined and honed in the cylinder. And that's why I recommend it. Is it going to hurt the engine? Nah. Sea-Doo and Rotax feel that 50 hours is fine and you'll be groovy. Okay. But yeah, to your question, I only recommend that 10-hour oil change just so you have clean oil that doesn't have a lot of the contaminants in it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.